Well, my friends all thought that I had gone insane. They thought that there was something wrong with my brain. When I went down to the corner of 4th and Main, I was looking for the man that sells propane. I'm tired of cutting wood, I'm gonna heat my house with propane, that old propane. Now when I moved to the country, I bought a wood stove. I cut my fuel from a hardwood grove, but my pipes froze up each winter. It was spring before the thaw. You can't be independent, chained to a chainsaw. I'm tired of cutting wood, gonna heat my house with propane, that old propane. I got a thermostat, I got a pilot light. Don't have to stoke the stove in the middle of the night. And my house stays warm if I'm gone a day or more. I wonder why nobody ever thought of this before. I'm tired of cutting wood, I'm gonna heat my house with propane, that old propane. Well, there was them that said it was because I was getting old, but the real reason is, Mama, I'm tired of being cold. I had a buddy tell me selling out was obscene. Then I caught him slipping home with a can of kerosene. I'm tired of cutting wood, I'm gonna heat my house with propane, that old propane. Johnny, you get Sally, and I'll run fetch Steffi Lou. You come on down to my house, son, let me tell you what we're gonna do. To get a warm feeling, you won't need champagne. And if things get too hot, you just turn down the flame. I'm tired of cutting wood, I'm gonna heat my house with propane, that old propane. Well, I'm tired of cutting wood, I'm gonna heat my house with propane, that old propane.